Good morning students. Today we are learn another one. Last lectures we are learn here business letters and that we are learn for good appears of the business letters. Physical appears of business letters we are complete the last lecture. Today we are learn another one. Notice. We are learn today here notice. Notice gives the specific information regarding an important event that is about to take the place with the help of the notice. Information is conveyed publicly for others to know and follow. Then notice it provide the information regarding for the important event. कुछ भी important event है उसके बारे में आपको कुछ information देना है तो हम किसके थ्रू देते हैं? नोटिस के थ्रू. And that helping to the notice to information conveys to public for others to know and follow. According to Company Act 2013, notice is an advance intimation given by company informing the person who are the supposed to attend the meeting, the day, date, time, place and business to be transacted at the meeting. Secretary has to be particular about contents, agenda, periods of notice, mode of delivery, etc. Secretary has for certain reason arranged for publishing public notice in the newspaper, etc. Notice of annual general meetings, notice about shifting office of the companies, etc. They are sent in newspapers. नोटिस किसके लिए रहती है? नोटिस आपको प्रीवियस इंफॉर्मेशन देने के लिए, कोई भी इम्पोर्टेंट इंफॉर्मेशन आपको सेंड करना है तो किससे सेंड होगी? नोटिस से सेंड होगी. हम यहाँ पे बात करें कंपनी की. द जॉइंट स्टॉक कंपनी एक्ट 2013 में नोटिस कब देनी है? हमें एडवांस में इंटीमेशन देना है. दैट द एडवांस इंटीमेशन गिवन बाय द कंपनी इन्फॉर्मिंग पर्सन्स टू सपोज टू अटेंड द मीटिंग, the day, date, time and place and business to be transaction and that meetings in advance intimation. Who is prepared for this notice? The secretary. The company secretary has the prepared that notice and that contents are coming, agenda, period of notice, mode of delivery, etc. are mentioned in that notice. That the secretary has to certain arrange the publicity news public notice in the newspaper for the arranging for the annual general meetings, notice about shifting office of the company. That notice they are also sent for the secretary in newspaper. Another ones we are learn here report. A report is an organized statement of fact or opinion leading to some conclusion with or without some recommendation. It is a systematic presentation of fact, figure, conclusions about specific event or topic. A report must be prepared by an individual or by a committee. Then some reports are to be prepared as per the provisions of the Company Act 2013, that is the annual report or statutory report, etc. Some reports are to be prepared by the company as per the requirement of the company report, that is, for example, report on possible seat for seating of new branch. Secretary must have to skill of drafting reports. Secretary should be acquainted with the content and format of different types of reports. Then report to be prepared as per the provisions of the Company Act 2013. It must be required here the every joint stock company that the prepare for annual general meetings. Next, minutes. Minutes is the defines as the written summary of the business transaction at the meeting. Company arrange for different types of the meeting, annual general meetings, statutory meetings, extraordinary general meeting, different types of meetings arranging, and that meetings, they are the written summary of the business transaction at the meeting. It is the concise and accurate official record of the discussion and decision at the company meeting. It can be used for future reference. A minutes is officially record of meeting. It is necessary to draft minutes in a proper format. Date, time, place, type of meeting, chairman of meeting, detail about directors, member present are recorded. All resolution must be recorded in these minutes. As per the Company Act, minutes for different class of meeting should be prepared by the secretary within 15 days of a meeting. Minutes are prepared by secretary, confirmed by members of directors, signature by a chairman and counter signatures by a secretary. It is always written in past tense and returns in the minutes book. क्या है मिनट्स बुक्स? मिनट्स बुक्स ये समरी है. मीटिंग्स, जब हम मीटिंग्स लेते हैं तो उसकी समरी हम लिखेंगे. बिजनेस ट्रांजेक्शन एट द मीटिंग. दिस कंस्यूज एन एक्यूरेट ऑफिशियल रिकॉर्ड ऑफ डिस्कशन एंड डिसीजन ऑफ द कंपनी मीटिंग. जो भी कंपनी मीटिंग में डिस्कशन हुआ है सब उसमें रिकॉर्ड रहेगा. एट कैन बी द फ्यूचर रेफरेंस. किसके लिए? हम उसे फ्यूचर्स में यूज़ कर सकते हैं. अगली मीटिंग में क्या हुआ था उसके बारे में हमें इंफॉर्मेशन मिल सकती है. दैट फॉर वी आर यूजिंग फॉर द मिनट्स बुक्स. दैट द मिनट्स ऑफिशियल रिकॉर्ड्स ऑफ द मीटिंग. It is necessary for the drafting of minute and proper format. There is mention for day, date, time, place and types of meeting. They are the different type: day, date, time and place for types of annual, general meeting, statutory meeting, extraordinary meetings, etc. चेयरमैन ऑफ मीटिंग. उस चेयरमैन मीटिंग में कौन है चेयरमैन? चेयरमैन का नेम, एड्रेस वहाँ पे मेंशन रहेगा. डिटेल अबाउट डायरेक्टर. हाउ मेनी डायरेक्टर्स आर प्रेजेंट एंड डेटेड that meetings and how many members are present in that meeting, everything are recorded here. All resolution must be recorded in the meeting. उस मीटिंग में कौन से resolution पास हुए वो भी उसमें मेंशन किया जाएगा. As per the company act, minutes for different class of meetings should be prepared by the secretary within 15 days. ये जो मीटिंग का ड्राफ्टिंग करना है वो कौन करेगा? कंपनी का सेक्रेटरी. कितने दिन में? विथिन 15 days आफ्टर कंप्लीट द मीटिंग. Minutes are prepared by secretary and confirmed for the director. Signatures by chairman. उसको कंफर्म करेगा डायरेक्टर के पास है और उस पर किसकी सिग्नेचर ली जाएगी? चेयरमैन की. और काउंटर सिग्नेचर में सेक्रेटरी की सिग्नेचर्स आएगी. ऑलवेज रिटर्न्स इन द मीटिंग आर ऑलवेज रिटर्न्स इन पास्ट टेंस. नोटिस इज फ्यूचर टेंस बट द minutes is a past tense returns in the minutes book. That's we are learned today here the notice, reports and minutes. Today we are complete that topic. Thank you students.